Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming backup so you don't lose progress, cloud sync, or manual export. Once done, revoke any device admin or special permissions game space holds. This prevents restart locks. Next, go straight into Settings, then Apps, and open Game Space or the default game launcher entry. You want to see options to force stop, storage, and permissions. Make sure you can access storage details now, because that's where you'll remove cached and user data before uninstalling. You clear space by choosing storage and selecting clear cache first, then clear data to remove local profiles and downloads. This frees the most space. Once data is cleared, force stop the app to prevent background processes from locking files. If uninstall is available, use it. If game space is a system app, tap disable or uninstall updates to reclaim space. Make sure to reboot after uninstall or disable, so system cleanup completes and leftover temp. You finish by scanning the file system. Open File Manager and remove leftover folders in /android/data and /android/ob tied to game space or specific games. Once done, run Storage Analyzer or a trusted cleaner app to find remnants and large files. This verifies reclaimed space. If any component resists removal, reset app preferences or boot into safe mode and uninstall from there, because safe mode prevents third-party locks. If problems persist, a factory reset after full backup is the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.